welcome back to the channel. So today I'm super excited to share with you not just the mini album but also the release of my new digital magazine for fall. So as you know, I run a quarterly digital magazine, and on the magazine you can find different projects, tutorials, crafting ideas. Also, I have some free printables in there for you. So super excited that the magazine is ready, so you can find it on my website. I'm gonna have it linked down below. And so yeah, so today I'm gonna share with you this mini album that is also on the magazine. So on the magazine you will find the step-by-step tutorial with pictures, measurements, and all of that. Also, I wanted to announce that I'm going to be hosting a live scrapbook crop event. Basically, we are going to be crafting all day, making not just a mini album but also having different giveaways, games. It's just gonna be a really fun time to hang out and craft together. So we're gonna be making basically this mini album that I'm gonna be sharing with you, but this mini album is on a 6x6, so we're gonna make it a larger scale. We're gonna make it an 8x8 mini album, and if you know me, you probably know we're gonna be adding all kinds of different things on this book. So I hope you guys want to join the fun. I'm gonna have that event link below. So when you purchase the entry of the event, you're gonna receive a PDF with the link and instructions to the live event. We're just gonna have a great time hanging out together. It will be live, or we can actually do some interaction, and I'm super excited to craft live with you guys. So again, all of that will be linked below. But now let's go ahead and take a look at this little book. So this book is a 6x6 book, and it has 4 little signature pages. As you can see, I wanted to dress this up. I was going for a really beautiful pink shabby chic Halloween, and I just love all the lace here on the sides. I love this beautiful collection. I purchased this collection last year. I think it's called Peekaboo. And I wish I remember the designer, but it was just such a beautiful collection. I'll try to find it and link it below as well. So over here I just used the stickers and all the ephemera to create little things that you can kind of clip on the side. This will be a really cute bookmark as well, this cute little kitty. So I'm just putting him right over here. Then we have the little ghosty banner that says 31, and I went ahead and, as you can see, this stress all around and just backed everything on cardstock, and yeah, just had tons of fun decorating this cute little book. Love the pink Halloween theme. Then this is the spine, and then this is the back. So let me take you inside this book. So when we open this up, again, I just decorated with a lot of the stickers. This opens over here. We have these cute little ghosties. Then on this page, this is a sticker that I back on cardstock, and then you can add a picture on the back there. Then this opens up, and then we also have a pocket here on this side. So when we design this book, it basically has 2 sides, side A, side B, and then each side, so side A has 2 designs and side B has 2 designs. So I do make it super easy to follow along on the magazine, and again, also super easy to add the paper because you have mainly just 2 sizes, so you can do all your cutting ahead, and you know, it makes it really easy to finish up the book, matting and everything. So over here on the side we have a pocket, and then we also have a pocket along the top here on the back. So those designs repeat for all the pages, and then what changes are the openings. So over here this opens to the side, and over here I use again some of the cut parts to just add a cute little note, and then this opens to the side, and we have that insert, and then this really pretty trim. All my trims I had for a long time, so I wanted to use them, but these were probably picked up at Joann's. Sadly we don't have Joann's anymore. Maybe you can find some of these also at Hobby Lobby, I would think. And then over here, this is another one of those inserts, and then I just gonna glue this along the top so it can tag in and be kind of like a closure for this page here. I just really like that, kind of having that closure, but then you can also add a picture on the back, and then you can add more photo mats on these pockets as well. So this opens down and it goes back in place. Then over here, this again repeats with the very first page, so opens up, and then we have that insert here on the side. And then on the back we have this page that opens to the other side, and then an insert. So super simple little book, but super fun to make, very stress-free and just love the cute little collection, and it comes together again super fast. Then over here this other little ghosty, and then this opens to the side, and again each one of these laces is a pull out side pocket, and then that goes back in there. And then here on the back, when I added this 4x4, I actually made that into a pocket on its own, so I just gonna have a little tag in there, and then this opens down, and then here we have that insert, and I use the stickers to decorate the front here, and then you can actually just tuck these and keep all of that close in there, and then place for a picture, and then this opens to the side. So super cute little collection. I love how this little book turned out. Again, all the instructions for this project and many other are on my digital magazine on the fall release. Super excited for that, and check out the live event that we are going to be having in October. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.